Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing these MVMT watches and rings. So they're basically like a specialized brand that only does accessories basically. The branding is super on point. Everything is, ooh, very geometric brand, mimicking that little thing right there. Yeah, they know what they're doing. Ooh, super nice. I wonder what this little black card is. Oh, an authentic warranty card. Oh, that's a different way to present a ring. Normally it's like up, right? But yeah, you just kind of reach in. So this I actually got for my husband. So as you can see, it's a man's ring. Something that's super cool, as you can see, the design, it's kind of like a very, like a masculine crown or something like that. And it's all black, super chic. But I like that it doesn't go all the way around because actually if you wear it and it's spiky on one side, it will actually be very uncomfortable. So I like that it is actually rounded all the way, just only geometric on up top. They have their little branding in there, but there's definitely like really good weight to it. You can see that it's high quality, made out of recycled materials, which is really good. I just like how they wrapped everything. It's different. But yeah, definitely a really great gift for anyone. Or you could just purchase it for yourself. Now, let's check out the watch. Also, this definitely has a weightiness to it too. Same elegant box. Ooh, once again with the warranty card. Wow, the watch is super elegant. You can see all the details, you know, within, you know, here's the really close up. Oh, and it comes with extra parts as well. These things, which a watchmaker would know what those are. I'm pretty sure they're like the joints of in case one of them gets broken. And then of course, if you need it to be bigger, they also have an additional part of the chain. And yeah, we'll have him do the honors. To be continued. I'm gonna be gifting this to my husband soon, so. Ooh.
This is really like good body on it. The color I like. It's not too shiny, something that I can wear and it's not gonna be too crazy if the light hits it in a certain way.
Oh, it fits perfectly.
Yes.
Actually.
Like a glove.
It was meant to be.
Yes. And lastly, everybody's favorite thing to do when they get a new technology. Same aesthetics as the watch. And we're gonna switch this one. And it looks kind of like has that hexagonal look to it, kind of like a nut. The color is somewhat similar to the watch, specifically to the rim on top of the watch, on the face of the watch. Same color as the ring. Very matchy. Once again, the color, it has that not too flashy feel to it, but it is a very aggressive color nonetheless. I like this style a lot actually, and I'm very happy with it.
Yay! I'm glad. If you're interested in any of these accessories, please check out the link below. They have all sorts of different super high quality watches, rings, you know, bracelet, all those different stuff. And if you like unboxings, continue watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe, comment, let me know what you think about this watch. Is this something you would get for your husband? Is this something you would get for yourself? I'll see you in the next video. Bye!